If you've just brought home a kitten bursting with non-stop energy, it's completely normal to feel a little overwhelmed. Kittens are naturally curious, playful, and always on the move. The first thing to understand is that kittens have short bursts of energy followed by naps. These bursts, also called zoom eyes, are how they burn off excess energy and practice hunting skills. It's important to give your kitten a safe environment where they can run, jump, and play. Start by kitten-proofing your home. Remove or secure fragile items, hide electrical cords, and block off any dangerous areas. Provide a variety of toys like feather wands, balls, and toy mice to keep your kitten stimulated and entertained. Interactive play is one of the most effective ways to manage your kitten's energy. Set aside time for 2 to 3 short play sessions each day. Use toys that mimic prey so your kitten can chase, pounce, and catch. This satisfies their natural hunting instincts and helps them burn off energy in a healthy way. End each session with a calming routine, such as gentle petting or a treat, to help your kitten wind down. A tired kitten is a calm kitten, and regular play can reduce unwanted behaviors like biting or scratching. Creating a consistent routine is also helpful for managing hyperactivity. Feed your kitten at the same times each day, and try to schedule play, nap, and cuddle times. Kittens feel more secure when they know what to expect, and a predictable routine can reduce anxiety-driven energy bursts. Before bedtime, give your kitten one last active play session to help them sleep through the night. If your kitten gets the zoom eyes while you're trying to sleep, try ignoring the behavior instead of reacting. Giving attention, even negative attention, can reinforce the behavior. Environmental enrichment is key for keeping your kitten mentally stimulated. Set up a cat tree, window perch, or tunnel to give them places to climb and explore. Retake toys regularly to keep things interesting, and consider using puzzle feeders that challenge your kitten to hunt for their food. If your kitten is home alone during the day, leave out a few safe toys or play a video made for cats to keep them entertained. Lastly, remember that hyperactivity is a normal part of kitten development and usually lessens with age. However, if your kitten's behavior seems extreme, causes injury, or includes signs of aggression, consult your vet to rule out any underlying issues. With patience, structured play, and a stimulating environment, your hyper kitten will grow into a well-adjusted cat. Enjoy this playful phase, it goes by quickly, and it's a joyful part of your kitten's journey to adulthood.